How to find old servers in Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to find all your private servers on Roblox. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, launch the Roblox app on your device. If you don't have the app, just open your browser and go to roblox.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, to view your private servers, you need to open any game first. For example, I'll open this one here. Scroll down until you see the servers section. Here, you'll find an option called Create Private Server. If you haven't made one yet, you can tap on that to set up a new server. Once done, or if you've already created servers, this section will show all the private servers you've made in the past. You'll also see any servers that your friends have invited you to, and you can join those directly from here. By following these steps, you'll be able to find and manage all your private servers, including old ones, on Roblox. And that's a wrap for this video. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.